This is assignment number 15 and challenge number 10 on pages 13 and 14 and 15. A spectrophotometer is a device used to measure light intensity. A spectrophotometer can measure either absorbance or transmittance of light. A small beam of light is emitted from the spectrophotometer, which goes through the sample in a small glass container called a cuvette. The spectrophotometer measures how much light is absorbed by the sample, or how much of the light passes through the sample, which is transmittance. In this activity, you will be using the spectrophotometer to measure the amount of light that is absorbed when various dilutions of food coloring are used. The light goes through a slit that sets the wavelength. The small beam of light with a specific wavelength passes through the sample in a cuvette. Some of the light is absorbed and some of the light passes through. The amount of light that passes through is detected and a value is given by the spectrophotometer. Look at samples A, B, and C. Rank the samples based on color intensity from least intense to most intense and record in your workbook. All right, Miss Avent right now is going to use our sample of just water, which is called a blank, and put that in the spectrophotometer.
Okay, it's at 0.
All right, so the machine has been zeroed using a blank. She's now going to take a disposable pipette and measure 4 milliliters of sample A and put it in the next cuvette. I'm going to wash off any fingerprints. Put it in the spectrophotometer.
So it has an absorbance of 0.07.
She's now going to use the blank again between each of the samples. Now sample B.
Sample B has an absorbance of 0.42.
I'm going to use the blank again. And now sample C.
And sample C has an absorbance of 0.77.
At this point, you should be able to answer questions 1, 2, 3, and 4 on pages 14 and 15 for assignment number 15 and challenge number 10.